Hello, now let's solve this problem. Now solve 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over 32x equals to x raised to the power of 32 raised to the power of 1 over 32x. So what are we going to do here? Now we are going to be applying this law. X raised to the power of m raised to the power of n will give us x raised to the power of m times n. Alright, so once we have two powers like this, so they multiply each other. So now this equation turns to 2 raised to the power of, so this multiplies this, so you have x over 32x equals to x raised to the power of 32 over 32x. Alright, so let's simplify. This cancel this, so we have 2 raised to the power of 1 over 32 equals to, now 32 cancel 32, so we have x raised to the power of 1 over x. Okay, so the next thing now is to find a way of expressing this left hand side such that it's going to look like this. Okay, so now I'm multiplying this power by 2 over 2. 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is the same thing as 2 times 1 over 2. Now let's multiply this by the power here. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 over 32 times 1 over 2. Okay, now I've splitted this 2 over 2, which is the same thing as 1. You can see that equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Alright, so we have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 over 64 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Alright, so what we have here is not the same thing as what we have here. So I'm still going to repeat the same process. So I'm multiplying this by 2, this by 2. So we have 2 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1 over 128, okay, equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Alright, we are not yet there. So I'm doing the same thing. I will use 2 to multiply this and 2 to also multiply this. So we have 2 raised to the power of, when you multiply this, you have 8 raised to the power of 1 over, multiply this by 2, you have 256 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Alright, so you can see 2 raised to the power of 8 is the same thing as 256. So we have 256 raised to the power of 1 over 256 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now we can see now they are now similar. So then we conclude that x equals to 256. Alright, so that is the answer. Thanks.